Meaning of Gambia.
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 Gambia. Gambia is both the name of a country and its principal river in West Africa. The name Gambia likely originates from the Mandinka language, where Gambia means the river. The Gambia River flows through the entire length of the country, which is surrounded by Senegal on 3 sides and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The country has a population of approximately 2 million people and its capital and largest city is Banjul. English is the official language, and the economy is primarily based on agriculture, tourism, and remittances from Gambians living abroad.